Best practices for Selenium testing. Hello again, welcome back to H2 Kinfosis. Today we'll discuss best practices for Selenium testing to ensure your scripts are efficient and maintainable. Let's get started. Use Page Object Model. First, use the Page Object Model POM to separate test scripts from page-specific code. This improves maintainability and readability. Example of POM. Here's a simple example. Page_objects.py. Class login page. Def__init__self driver. Self.driver driver. Self.username driver.find_element_by_name username. Self.password driver.find_element_by_name password. Self.login_button driver.find_element_by_name login. Def login self user pwd. Self.username.send_keys user. Self.password.send_keys pwd. Self.login_button.click. Test_login.py. From Selenium import WebDriver. From page_objects import login page. Driver WebDriver.chrome. Driver.get http://example.com/login. Login_page login page driver. Login_page.login your _username, your _password. Driver.quit. Use explicit waits. Next, use explicit waits to handle dynamic content. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.by import by. From selenium.webdriver.support.ui import WebDriver wait. From selenium.webdriver.support import expected_conditions as EC. Driver WebDriver.chrome. Driver.get http://example.com. Wait for an element to be clickable. Wait WebDriver wait driver 10. Element wait until ec.element_to_be_clickable by .id some _id. Driver.quit. Following these best practices will help you create reliable and maintainable Selenium tests. In our next video, we'll cover continuous integration with Selenium. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.